Hello everyone, my name is Chirag Vaishnav and in the continuation of the MCDQ, that is must do coding question series that we are having on the channel Coding Destination. The question today we are going to solve is parenthesis checker. So question थोड़ा simple है, but still it needs some good knowledge of stack and all the things, and in proceedings of this question only we will be solving some more important questions regarding the parenthesis and stack only, right? So consider this as the basic, right? So it's kind of a must do coding question, that's why I've added it in the playlist. So in the parenthesis checker, as name simply signifies, what we will be having three types of bracket, right? One will be this, one will be this, and one will be this, right? It will be like normal parenthesis, square bracket, and curly bracket, right? So in that, what you have to do, you will be given a string, and from that string there is a simple task that you have to do, and string will consisting only of these brackets only, right? So this is very simple thing, that each bracket, if there is an opening, there is a closing, right? So this is a perfect thing, and this does not create an issue to us, right? So but in the case if we are having this is our only string, so there is opening of this bracket, there is opening of this bracket, but there is no closing of this bracket respectively, right? So in this way this will be of no use. So if you consider this, right, and if I'm having this and this, right, so if you see, this is the opening bracket, this is the opening bracket, this is the opening bracket, this is opening, this is opening, right, and this is closing. So these both are done, right? Okay, so we are not, now this is opening, this is closing, so these are of same kind, so these are done. So this is opening and this is closing, these are of same type, these are done. This is opening, this is closing, these are of same type, these are done, right? And this is opening, this is closing, but it appears that it's a symmetric, or it's a completely true parenthesis checker and completely fine string, but it isn't, because it isn't balanced, because we are having a parenthesis that is closing, but we are not having any opening for that, right? So in this case, what you have to do, that we will be discussing in this question. So in this question we will be discussing about the procedure, about how the way we have to think, how the way we have to approach, what data structure to use, and at the end we will be writing the code for this. But before starting, I would like to mention point about Newton School. So Newton School has only provided me such an amazing opportunity to interact with you guys, to learn and grow together, right? So talking about Newton School is an edtech platform which helps you to build your career in tech specifically. It's having 6 months long curated course which helps you to become a full stack developer. And the best thing about Newton School is that it helps you to become a full stack developer in 6 months. It's connected to a lot of companies like Google, Meesho. We will be heading over to the website to see what the guys are doing. And the best thing is that you have to pay Newton School after you are placed. So yes, you heard me right. You have to pay Newton School after you are placed. But why is that? So this is because Newton School is having a policy which helps to encourage students, right, to work hard and all, right? So if they are working hard, they will get placement, and if they get placement, they can pay Newton School from their salary. And it's such an amazing opportunity. So if you want to enroll in this, do enroll. Link will be in the description, right? So let's head over to the website to see what the guys are doing. So here we are on the website. So you can see a lot of things are going on, like coding contest, launchpad, hire from us, and all the things. And let's scroll a little bit. And here you can see a lot of companies are there: Google, Meesho, Zomato, MI, Byju's, Unacademy, Deloitte, Policy Bazaar. So I'm not doing a sponsorship ad or something like this, but still it's connected to a lot of companies, which simply signifies that what is the importance and all the things, right? So this was it for Newton School. Now let's head over to our code, right? ओके, सो है भैया, तो हमने कहाँ तक की बात कर ली थी कि पैरेंथेसिस चेकर क्या, क्वेश्चन क्या है, पैरेंथेसिस चेकर है क्या बेसिकली. तो इन पैरेंथेसिस चेकर व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, या गिवन अ स्ट्रिंग, और स्ट्रिंग में मुझे बताना है कि क्या चीज़ें मैं डाल सकता हूँ, क्या नहीं डाल सकता हूँ, और क्या जो चीज़ें हैं वो बैलेंस है या नहीं है. बैलेंस इज द मेन थिंग दैट यू हैव टू फोकस ऑन, राइट. So for the balance, what we'll do, suppose we're having a string 1 1 1, right? So this is the string. So let's iterate it once more and see if it's balanced or not. So opening 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 opening, closing 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 closing. Okay, so first thing is that this is a square bracket and this is a closed bracket, right? So these are not of same type, right? If these are not of same type, means they are not only balanced, then how the other that are surrounding them will be balanced, right? So these are the things that you have to point it out. So what the algorithm says is, so the data structure that we are going to use is stack, right? So in the stack, I hope you are comfortable with the stack, and if you're not, let me give you an intuition. So stack is a data structure which we can build. So with the help of C++, STL, we are having it inbuilt, right? So in this, the value we are going to put it in like 1 over each other, right? And the only accessible value that we will be having is on top, right? So imagine you're having a stack of books, right? So you cannot just pull the last book. If you're having a discipline of, if you're following a particular manner that we are going to use in this particular data structure, we will be only accessing the top value, right? So if you're having a stack of books that are having books one over other, so what you will do, you will keep only the first book that you're having on the top, that only you can take out, right? So this is how it is going to work. So we will be taking that only, right? So this is how it is going to work. So what we will do with the help of stack, हम stack की help से हम करेंगे क्या, ठीक है? So let me take a small example. Suppose the example is this, ठीक है? तो ये opening, ये closing सब same type के हैं, cancel. We are having a balance string, ठीक है? तो अब मैं stack की help से आपको करके दिखाता हूँ, ठीक है? तो यहाँ पे मैंने opening डाला, यहाँ पे मैंने opening डाला. अब मेरे पास क्लोजिंग ब्रैकेट आया, तो क्लोजिंग के लिए मैं क्या चेक करूंगा, क्या स्टैक के टॉप पे, क्योंकि मैं स्टैक का टॉप एलिमेंट ही एक्सेस कर पाऊंगा, क्या स्टैक के टॉप पे जो क्लोजिंग आया है उसका ओपनिंग है या नहीं है. अगर स्टैक के टॉप पे जो क्लोजिंग मेरे पास अभी है उसका जो ओपनिंग है वो है, तो मतलब मेरा एक पेयर बन गया ना. तो मैं क्या करूंगा, अगर ये कंडीशन हो जाती है इस केस में, तो मैं ये डाल के, ठीक है, चेक किया, इसको पॉप किया, इसको पॉप किया, ठीक है? तो ये हो गया, ये हो गया, ये हो गया, मतलब ये सॉरी ये हो गया और ये हो गया. फिर मैंने यहाँ पे डाला, वापस क्लोजिंग आ गया. क्लोजिंग में मैंने वापस स्टैक के टॉप पे गया, क्या इसी का ओपनिंग ब्रैकेट मेरे स्टैक के टॉप पे है या नहीं है. अगर है तो पॉप इट आउट, कैंसल इट, एंड हेंस एज स्टैक इज एम्प्टी वी आर हैविंग आवर आंसर, राइट? और इसी में हम एक एक्सेप्शनल केस लेते हैं कि अब अगर इसी केस में मैं ये कर दूं, एंड ये, ठीक है? तो अब सपोज करो मैंने क्या किया कि मैं यहाँ पे वापस स्टैक बनाई, ओपनिंग डाल दिया, ओपनिंग डाल दिया, ओपनिंग डाल दिया, तो ये डल गया, ये डल गया, ये डल गया. अब क्लोजिंग आया, क्या क्लोजिंग का स्टैक का टॉप और क्लोजिंग सेम है? हाँ है. तो इसको पॉप कर दिया हमने, फिर ये हो गया. फिर क्या स्टैक का और टॉप और इसका क्लोजिंग सेम है, मतलब सेम टाइप के हैं? हाँ है. इसको पॉप कर दिया, क्या ये सेम है? इसको पॉप कर दिया. अब पॉप करने के बाद मेरे पास अभी ओपनिंग है ही नहीं और क्लोजिंग ब्रैकेट आ जा रहा है, मतलब मेरी स्टैक अभी ओपनिंग है ही नहीं और क्लोजिंग ब्रैकेट आ जा रहा है. स्टैक एम्प्टी है और डायरेक्टली ही क्लोजिंग ब्रैकेट आ गया. तो this simply states that there cannot be any balanced string, right? So what you have to do in this case, it's simply that it is unbalanced, right? So this is what you have to do. So I hope you got the idea. Now let's directly jump to the code part. So we will be heading over to that, right? Okay, so here we are. So here what we will be doing, we will be creating a function. Let's say we will be creating bool, we will be creating parenthesis checker, right? So in that, what input you have to give, you have to give a string. So let's say string final is being given. Now what I've explained is that we have to use stack data structure. So in C++ STL we are having stack data structure. So in the stack data structure, how we will be implementing, we will be iterating over the string. On the string we will be having only two cases, either we will be getting an opening parenthesis or closing parenthesis. So in the case of opening, we will push it in the stack. In the case of closing, what we will do, we will check the top of the stack if we are having the same kind of opening bracket for the closing bracket that we are getting, right? So in this case, we will simply pop the top and next try iterating the next string, right? So here we are having bool answer, and in the bool answer what we will do, int n is equals to final dot size, right? And for int I is equals to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Now what you have to do, you have to iterate the string, but in case of iterating the string, what we are having two cases, either opening bracket or closing bracket. In the case of opening bracket, what you have to do, you have to push it to the stack, right? So while you are pushing it to the stack, right, what you have to do, you have to create a stack, obviously. So stack int s, right? So now you are iterating. So first, okay, okay, so what you have